Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. Just a quick update here. I am changing the name. We've been calling this Shelter in Place for since March 22nd of last year. I think we've done like 258 of these, and I'm just going to call it Market Update at this point in time, just to keep it simple. Still going to put it out every day. Won't change as far as that goes. And looking forward to seeing those of you who can join me on the Go Live with Tom starting next Friday, April 9th. And again, if you have any questions, you can submit them anytime, at Ask Tom at golivewithtom.com. And what have you. And you can submit those questions live as we're going to. And all you do is you put in Go Live with Tom and hit enter, .com, hit enter, and you're there. You don't have to do anything. It's anonymous. It's kind of an interesting concept. And we're going to be talking about all kinds of different things in terms of finances and markets and what have you too, with the objective being of trying to help you increase your net worth. So today was a really exciting day. The S&P 500 was up almost 1.2% today. And I think really more importantly, we saw a big move in the small cap stocks. And so when you see small caps really start to move, that means people are willing to take on more risk. And oftentimes that will lead to more motion in the market to the upside. And one of the big catalysts today was the manufacturing report, which was phenomenal. One of the biggest jumps we've seen in quite a while. What's called the ISM, the Institute of Supply Managers, reports every month. So anything above 50% is considered growth in manufacturing. Anything above 55% is considered exceptional. And so the Wall Street Journal had a estimate at 61%, which is great. They came out at 64%. This is one of the best readings on a monthly basis over the last 38 years. That's really my theme of the day. And this is what I've been talking about. I think that what is happening in the reality of the reopening and the number of people that are going to be hired, the number of manufacturing dollars that are going to go out is much higher than what is being expected. And the upside surprise is where we make the money. Because, for example, in the area of manufacturing, if they would have hit 61, you wouldn't have seen a tremendous amount of money coming into the market because that's already built into the market. That was the expectation, let's say. But when it hits 64, that upside surprise causes more money to come in, more excitement. And some of these things can get huge momentum and really get money coming in. And so my theme at the moment is that the reopening is going to be more aggressive than is what is being expected by the analysts. And that upside surprise is what's going to create this motion. If you go back to this time last year, that's exactly what was happening. Everybody thought things were going to go down, 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 and they started to go up, up, up. And so the market had to react and react and react, and it's still going on. And as this, reopening happens, I think the reopening could be quite violent because of the, pent up demand, and that will be a good thing. We might have to deal with some inflationary pressure, but I do think that's going to work its way through. So I think that, theme of the day and really kind of what happened today is this upside surprise, and we need to keep watching for those. Tomorrow they report employment. The expectation is around 700,000 jobs, and so we'll see what happens with that. The market is closed tomorrow, so there won't be a video tomorrow for that, but that'll be interesting to see how that impacts on Monday. So energy moved up today, semiconductors moved up today, small caps moved up today. There was a lot of really good leadership, I thought, altogether that was very, very positive. So um, and also one of the things that was different today, and actually yesterday too, both growth and value did well today. Growth a little bit better on both days than value, but both did well, which is not what we've been seeing. We've been seeing this kind of teeter-totter where one does well and the other one falls apart, or vice versa. So we are seeing some now broader money coming in, and so this is what I've been really hoping for. So let's see what happens on Monday. I look forward to talking to you then. Thank you.